In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own Talkie AI. We'll start from scratch and build a character you can chat with, complete with a look, a voice, and a personality that fits your goals. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI, then open the official site from the results. On the homepage, select Create a Talkie. If you're prompted again to create, click it once more to enter the editor. Begin by giving your character a clear, memorable name. Next, choose a gender if you want that to influence the voice and avatar suggestions. This choice won't lock you in creatively, but it can help shape the defaults. Go to the Settings area and write the character's background and key information. Think of this as the brain of your talkie: who they are, what they know, how they speak, and what they should avoid. Include role, expertise, tone, and boundaries. The clearer you are here, the more consistent the conversations will feel. Add an intro. This is the first message your talkie might use to introduce itself. Keep it in character and aligned with the background you wrote. Then add an opening. This acts as the greeting or conversation starter users will see. Make it inviting and on-brand. Add at least one skill to define what the character can do. Describe tasks it's good at, like explaining concepts, offering study tips, or role-playing a specific scenario, so the model knows how to behave. Now set the visual. Open the image section, click the gallery icon, and choose the option to create a new image. For the best results, write a specific, detailed prompt describing appearance, clothing, mood, setting, and style. In model selection, choose the generator you prefer. If you want a lifelike look, pick the realistic model. Adjust prompt adherence to control how strictly the image follows your prompt. Higher adherence sticks closer to your description, but can sometimes reduce overall quality, so balance precision with aesthetics. Enter your prompt and generate. Review the results, pick the image that fits your character best, click Use, and confirm to attach it. Add a voice that matches the persona's tone and language. Preview options if available and choose one that feels natural and consistent with the character's identity. When everything looks good, click Save to keep it private for now, or Publish to make your talkie public. That's it. Your custom Talkie AI is ready, with a name, backstory, greeting, skills, image, and voice, all tuned to the experience you want to create.